Hello, this is a heavy duty and high output laboratory grinder or a granulator or a grinding mill manufactured by Divine International Techcraft, New Delhi, India. This is also popularly known as a Willy mill. A granulator or a grinding mill is a mechanical, motorized machine designed to reduce the size of dry materials into uniform granules or particles. This grinding mill is most commonly used in agriculture and soil science laboratories. It is ideal for grinding, cutting, shredding plant samples, leather, cardboard, plastics, fertilizer materials, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, animal hair, hoofs, and other dry materials. This machine belongs to the family of cutting mills. These mills prepare materials for analysis with minimum moisture loss. In the grinding mill, the dried material is cut into crude pieces or lumps and loaded into a hopper. From the hopper, the material drops by gravity into the path of a set of revolving steel blades driven by an electric motor. The revolving knives work against stationary knives and the resulting powder is forced through a steel screen or mesh. The powdered material then drops into a waiting collection vessel underneath. The key components of this machine are a hopper where material is fed into the machine, the cutting chamber that houses the rotors and blades for cutting, rotors with blades and a high-speed rotating mechanism, and a screen that determines the size of the final output. This particular machine has a cutting chamber of diameter 200 mm and a depth of 75 mm. Smaller chamber sizes are also available. A wooden plunger is provided to push down the sample into the chamber. A manual shutter mechanism is provided underneath the hopper to control the flow of sample into the cutting chamber. You can manually open or close this shutter to allow or stop the flow of sample below. The mesh below the cutting chamber can be inserted or removed by simply loosening the screws in the holding clamp. The funnel below the cutting chamber can be easily pulled out for cleaning and again pushed back during the operation. The size of the final output can be managed by simply changing the mesh or screen size that is inserted below the cutting chamber. To change the mesh, simply pull it out and insert a mesh of the desired size. With this simple procedure, you can control the size of the final output. Various mesh sizes are provided with the machine. Glass or plastic collection jars are provided that can be simply placed or screwed below the mesh. The final output falls in the collection jars. The door of the chamber is to be kept closed during the operation. A cabinet is provided on the side of the machine for keeping the spare parts like collection jars, plungers, cleaning brushes, etc. Now demonstrate the grinding or cutting operation of this grinding mill using leather pieces. The grinding mill is fitted on a heavy cast iron base to prevent any shaking movement or vibration during the operation. It is electrically operated and works on 220 volts AC 50 Hz supply. We wait for your inquiries and orders for this product. Thank you.